In this video, I'm going to show you how to select English language in Duolingo application. Make sure to go and open the application and make sure that you're logged in into an account or have an account example. If you don't have it, you can just go and create an account very easily. So now you'll have to go and click on the flag icon. You should find this at the top left or even top right for some versions. Once you click on it as an example, you should find here Japanese, German, whatever other language you have. All you need to do, just go and click on plus on course, and you'll have to go and choose your English. So you'll have to go and look for English and select it. For me, as you can see, I'll not find English. Why? Because when I just created my account or when I opened my application to start learning, I choose English as the native language. So I'll not be able to choose or to learn English if it's my native language. I'll have to go and change that first, then I'll be able to go and add it as a course. So basically, you will never be able to choose English or select English if it's your native language, or any other language. If it's your native language, you'll not be able to select it. You'll have to keep that in mind. Other than that, if you're looking at an example to select English as an app interface, you'll be able, an example, to go just to your phone settings and go to language and region and make sure to choose English from there. And once you change the device language to English, you will be able to find the entire Duolingo app will appear in English as well once you restart the application. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.